Hello friends and welcome back to your channel. This episode is on lemon rice recipe, a very quick and easy variety rice idea, great for your tiffin boxes. I know this recipe is not new to many of you there, but this will help the beginners. I've taken about 1.5 cup of cooked rice. Your rice should not be very sticky. 8 to 10 dry chilies, 3 tablespoons of peanuts and 1 tablespoon of chana dal, a handful of curry leaves, half a cup of lemon juice, oil for cooking, salt as per your taste, asafoetida, mustard, turmeric and pepper. So these are all the ingredients required, and now let's start making. First take your lemon juice and add the asafoetida, turmeric powder and mix well. Also add in salt as per your taste. Mix everything together and keep it aside. Now heat oil in a pan. And add mustards. Let it splatter. Now goes in the dry chilies, chana dal, roast this and add in the peanuts. For additional spicing, you can add green chilies and ginger. Curry leaves goes in now. But I don't like to add green chilies and ginger since they don't stay long when you pack in the tiffin box. I've altered it with pepper powder for the spice. Now add the lemon juice mix and cook until the raw smell of the turmeric leaves. Once you have done, switch off the stove and add the pepper powder and give everything a very good mix and let the mix cool. Add the lemon juice mix to your rice little by little and mix the rice and the lemon masala mix together. Check your salt and our lemon rice is done. You can consume this rice after 15 minutes so that the lemon flavor gets entered into the rice really well. Hope you will give this recipe out a try and let me know your reviews and comments. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. I had this lemon rice with this roasted chutney. This is a very great combination for the lemon rice, and this recipe will be coming soon. Thanks for watching House to Home.